Hello everyone, this is an introductory video to Mrs. Bierman's geometry class. I'm showing you week 5 from first semester so you can kind of get an idea of where you're going to find things in Schoology. Every week will have its own folder, so if I go back one you'll see that I have a folder for each week. I have my quarter 1 already archived in here. And in this section, you're going to see lots of important things. So week 5, this is just an example. The first thing you're going to see is a page here, and a page, if you click on that, it will just tell you what is going to be assigned that week. If you are in the classroom, you're going to see this also in the front of the classroom. And it will give you an idea of how to keep your pacing with mine. So the first thing that you would do is read the instructions for the week, check in with me of course, and then you're going to go to do the lesson. So if you look again at this week's agenda, Monday was no new video, but you're to look at 3.2 day 3 worksheet, which is just more practice. So if I go back here, this is where you're going to find that assignment with this little notebook and pencil. You click on that. You will be able to view this assignment. I'll just pull that up so you can see that. So you can view the assignment, you can download it. If you're at school, you can print it to a school printer. And you can do that by making sure you're logged in to BYOD device and then sign in with your credentials that you normally do when you have when you log into Schoology or Office 365. All right, the other thing, if we go back to our agenda, it will tell you, so Tuesday is a video. So if I go back to this day here, you can see this little icon right here with the measuring the rulers or whatever. That is a clue that this is video. So I'm using Edpuzzle, which means that while you're watching the video, I might ask you a question, and this will be graded. So if I click this, it's going to bring me to my Edpuzzle video, and you will play the video and then answer the questions. And you can see here that I can see students how far they have watched the video or if they haven't watched the video, and then I put that in the gradebook and as well as how you did on that Edpuzzle video. I'll try to keep them pretty short, less than 10 minutes is my goal. And while you're working through the video, you should be taking notes, and I'm giving you the notes packet today, so you should be able to work through that on tomorrow's lesson. Then here is the assignment that goes with 3.3 day 1. Again, you can print it off however you would like, but then you can just upload it there. Depending on where we're at with distance learning and learning in the classroom, sometimes I'm going to give you the key. If we are doing hybrid or even in the classroom, you're going to have the key at the front of the classroom, and you're going to be allowed to check that. When you come up to check it, you may not bring your phone, only your eyeballs and a pencil, and check that to see if you have questions. You can ask me via Zoom and just see how you're doing. When we're done with a section, so it looks like this lesson up here was day 3 of lesson 3.2, you're going to have a 5-question assessment. Assessment is going to be 5 questions, multiple choice, and this will count more because it's 5 points versus the daily points which are 1. And then you just keep following the pattern and doing the assessment or the video and checking your answers. Once we are done with a section, like maybe 3 to 5 lessons, we'll probably have a quiz, and the quiz will look just a little bit differently. I have it in week 6 here as an example. The quiz here will look like this, and you would just click on that and then work through the problems. Sometimes I might ask you to upload pictures. You would use your phone or iPad. Hopefully we get our Chromebooks pretty soon, and you would have that as an option. So I've created our semester 2 page, which looks like this. This is what we have so far. And in here you are going to hopefully you already have found this because this is how you're going to watch the video. But you will have in here the week's agenda, so you can see that we had no school on Monday. You're going to do the practice video, which is what you're watching right now. You're going to do the submit an assignment, and then you're going to do a practice assessment. So hopefully you kind of have a better idea of how my class is going to be run second semester. Make sure that you ask questions if you don't understand, and I'm always available via Zoom. Just jump on. I'll put the link right up in this page here too. All right, well, let me know if you have questions, and as always, I'm here to help. Bye for now.